Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them. Today we're going to stuff our sinking funds. We're very excited about it. I did mention yesterday in that video, we went to a party and we had a good time, but we did spend all our money. We still have the money in our boys' sinking funds binder, which I'm not certain I'll be able to hit because I do need to focus on my safety net to get me through and make sure that my rent is paid. So we are going to focus on safety net first. Let's see. Safety net. I did already pull the funds for that was in there for the days that I missed, and we're going to add 20, 40, 60, 80. Dang it. I really should add all of this because I missed so many days. I guess if I don't need it, I'm not even sure this was worth recording. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60. We're going to go put it into our safety net. I really need to make sure that our rent is paid because like I said, I was sick, snow days, my kiddo was sick, we had a rough go. So that really does stink because we want to go outside now that we actually can. I mean, the party was a lot of fun. It was such a cool space. It was, like an amusement area with like zip lining and these huge crazy trampolines and trampoline basketball, trampoline dodgeball. They had this wipeout zone, and then they had this different tournaments, and then a huge ridiculous arcade. It was so much fun, and I mentioned we were the first ones there and last ones to leave. Typically doesn't happen, but we were having such a good time and my kiddos were so excited. So it happens. But we have a couple dollars here, and I think what we'll go ahead and do is we will put let's do $8, $5, $6, $7, $8 into my boys' envelope, and then I'll put $5 into mine, and if we need the money or if we want it, whatever, we have it. Wow, okay, that went a lot differently than I had anticipated. Car maintenance still has 20 bucks. I did, you guys, I vacuumed out my car, I washed my car before I went to work. I don't know what day it was, but then I came out from the end of my shift and it had snowed, covered in snow. So winter's hard to predict, and one of my phones tells me the winter, tells me the weather pretty spot on, and the other one doesn't. So anyway, so safety net, that's looking good. I will be pulling those funds immediately to go into my high priority for my rent. So there's that, you guys. Wow, okay, this was so fast. I want to thank all of you so much for coming back again. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Oh, by the way, the new freebie for March will be out. It should already be out. If it is, I will link it down below. I know February for sure will be available down below. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.